Good morning, Miele Maribor.
Good morning, Miele Maribor.
What are we doing here today?
We are doing a refurbishment on our installation that we did 6 months ago.
Yeah.
So we had the beautiful, vibrant tonings of the reds and the pinks. And we've now pulled all those colors out from underneath. We've kept the top, but we've added a lot of pampas and some more of the beautiful dried
Broom.
gypsophila, or broom gypsophila, to create that fullness on the top mate. And then I added all the beautiful green on one side coming through, and then I wanted to break it up with the baby's breath as quite compact from underneath to bring your eye all the way to the end. And now I'm trying to balance this kind of beautiful lilac, the white lilac, with the same kind of,
With this one here.
yeah, with the eucalyptus.
With eucalyptus. Okay.
And has the same shape.
And what else
hasn't it?
is going to come underneath? Anything else?
Underneath,
Or?
I'm going to clean that up with all compact of hydrangeas.
Okay.
Which I'm thinking I'm going to do that with all beautiful hydrangeas to really fill that area. So everything has a purpose and it has really lovely flow and rhythm to the design. And you know, it's just so beautiful to affiliate our business with Miele because they're an innovative company who's always taking their appliances to the next level. And it's fantastic because we can show our work and for their customers to see that floristry is not just putting it into a vase or, you know, putting it together like this. It's about looking at it and seeing the art behind the beautiful installation. What do you think, Matej?
Sounds great.
Sounds good, doesn't it? So yeah, I'm really happy with this. And then what we are going to do, because it's Christmas coming in 4 weeks time, we're going to put some Christmas baubles, and I'm thinking to just do some red baubles to match the Miele brand, and that will be the only color to this design.
All right. So how long is it going to take this? For another what? 2 hours? 3 hours?
I reckon another couple of hours, and we should be completed by the time we clean everything up and put everything back in order. 2 hours, I reckon.
Okay. Let's see.
Let's do
All
it.
right. Ciao.
Ciao.